Hey everybody, I'm here with Grandma Jeanne again, and today we're going to learn how to make her homemade biscuits.
The biscuit recipe is basically 2 cups of flour, half a cup of shortening, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of peanut tartar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2/3 cup of milk. I have measured 4 cups of flour, 4 cups of flour, 8 teaspoons of baking powder, 2, 3, so next, cups of peanut tartar, okay, 4 teaspoons of sugar next, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, it calls for salt. So I've measured 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add that to the flour mixture. The next step is to sift the flour. I'm going to sift the flour ingredients into the bowl of shortening. This is the old flour sifter, belongs to my mother, so it's ancient. So it's special to me. It's an old-fashioned one, as you can see by looking at it. Okay, we have to cut the shortening up into the flour. Then we get it all broken up into ingredients. It looks slightly like cornmeal, but not quite like coarse cornmeal. When you make pie crust, it's like coarse cornmeal. So the biscuits don't use as much shortening as pie crust, so then take a little while to break it up good, yeah. The old-fashioned way was to use 2 knives. I'm going to add 1 cup and 1/3 cup of milk. Okay, stir it all up to making a dough. See how it's starting to come together? Get it all. Yeah. Now that I have everything moistened, I'm going to split it up and do this half at a time. So let's do this. I'm going to take this half. Now I'm going to do it 12 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now next I'm going to roll it out. This cutter also belonged to my mother. It's ancient too. Mine, I make them go round, but that's the way she made them. I think that's a little too thick. Oh, there we go. My brother used to make biscuits when I was much younger, and they were so good. I said, how do you make biscuits like that? He said, you don't, he said, the less you handle them, the better they are. So, maybe that was his secret, I guess. Here we go. Then they're done, and they take them out and they're all ready to eat with some good old butter and some some fruit spread. And that's it. That's the story.
All right. Well, we'll see you guys again soon. Hopefully. Yeah.
Peace. That it.
Yeah.
Used to be V for victory. Now it's peace. Huh?
V for victory.
It used to be during the Second World War.
Oh.
V for victory.
V for victory.
Now it's peace.
Okay, well, it can be victory.
Same thing.
We were victorious in making the biscuits, so
right.
It was victory in that way.
Right.
All right.